Just a few days after I announced my YouTube Ads Masterclass, YouTube finally added the Promotions tab in Studio. So what is this new tool all about, you may ask? Well, it is for promoting your videos by yourself on YouTube. So if you think that the algorithm is unfair to your videos or is too slow in recommending your videos, now you can use this tool to do the job yourself. But before you start using the Promotion tab and click Get Started, you need to understand some aspects of your channel's analytics and how promoting videos with Google Ads works. And if you want to test this tool and want to know how you can use it efficiently, you should already be in my YouTube Ads Masterclass, which is starting on the 29th of this month. So in this masterclass, I will share with you strategies that worked for me and others in promoting their content on YouTube. In fact, Google used my video in one of their support pages. So this masterclass is for coaches, musicians, PR agents, content creators, influencers, and digital marketers. I will simplify terms like impressions, click-through rates, gain subscribers from your promotions, and how you can place your videos in front of your competition's audience, when and how to post or recommend your videos on trendy videos in your niche, and many more. So there's nothing like digital marketing jargon. Everything is straight to the point with details. The free session of the masterclass is already on. If you want to attend these free sessions, click the first link in the description to join and gain more insight about YouTube ads promotions for free.